anyone notice that woman?
I think that's
Was that Carrie Kennedy?
How can you not come to something like this when you've ever had an opportunity to meet or to work with the governor? I mean, a humanitarian, a heart of gold. He was the person that loved people more than anybody. And he loved New York. I mean, this is where his whole world was and his whole family is a part of.
Here to pay my respects to the Cuomo family as well as Mario, a lifelong friend, a most important individual, a man whom I've known since I've been a young boy. It's a very sad day, but a day as I stand about on this chilly street, I see many people here, and he must have reached out in very personal ways to each and every one of us.
Mario Cuomo, I think, defined what New Yorkers should be about, which is passionate, strong, and caring for the city and for the state. And I wanted to come out and pay my respects. I worked with the governor up in Albany years ago, and he's somebody who I admire.
Yeah,